Introducing the ultimate family vehicle, the petrol plug-in hybrid electric estate. Packed with advanced features like satellite navigation, cruise control, and collision avoidance braking, this car ensures a safe and comfortable ride for you and your loved ones. With luxurious interior details like ambient lighting and third-row seats, every journey will feel like a first-class experience. Plus, the chrome package and roof rails give this car a sleek and stylish look. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in style and confidence today.